Hello, this is me Ashok. Today I am going to tell you a great story, and the story name is Sushruta. Sushruta was a great scholar of veterinary medicine, and his guru was Shalihotra. One day Shalihotra decided to take his test, to take his exam about his knowledge, how he had taken the knowledge about the veterinary. So he asked to make a surgery of horse. To listen these words, Sushruta put all the instrument down and he was trying to make a surgery of horse. But at that time, Shalihotra said to the Sushruta, he said that you were missing three things. You find out that. Sushruta was confused. He didn't understand anything. What his guru was telling him, he didn't understand it. But after some time, Shalihotra gave him 1 week for understanding this. And then for 1 week, Sushruta was observing to the Shalihotra how his guru was doing the surgery of animals. And at that time when Shalihotra was preparing a surgery of horse, at that time Sushruta was observing him. So he understood the first thing, that Shalihotra means his guru was observing that animal very first, and then he gave a medicine to it. So it means Sushruta understood this one thing, that the first thing is veterinaries should have the eagle's eyes. It means veterinary doctor should have the knowledge about the animal's behavior, and then they can give the medicine to it. Then second thing is that while observing this, at that time Sushruta understood the second thing, and the second thing is this: while Shalihotra was making a surgery of animal, at that time he was doing it like his own. He was doing it like his own. So it means veterinary doctor should have the knowledge. Yes, they have the knowledge, but they don't forget to themselves. It means they should have make the surgery of like their own. So this was the second thing. And the third thing was this: Shalihotra was taking care of that animal like a mother. It means not only give to the medicine to that animal, it's not sufficient, it's not enough. Now today's doctors are doing this. So it was not enough. So after surgery, after giving the medicine, veterinary doctor should have the take care of like a mother. So these were the three things in part first of Sushruta story. The second part is all about the ancient history of Indian knowledge about the animals, and how the India's knowledge was a great and very useful to all the world. It was like mesmerizing, but we forget it. In ancient India, there was the therapy about the animal. It was developed, and it was very first in ancient India. It was based on Ayurveda. The first therapy based on Ayurveda. And in the ancient time of India, there was oldest text, and the text about the veterinary, oldest text was the Ayurveda Siddhanta. This was the title. Means in India, this textbook Ayurveda Siddhanta, it was the first text in the world. How Indian were great and now today they are. That we can see this through this example, that we can understand how Indians are very great and they were. In all the world, we had only a knowledge about the animal and we decided to give the knowledge, give the education about the animal to all the world. So that was the first text, Ayurveda, Ashwa Ayurveda Siddhanta. This was the first textbook about the animals medicine. And then we heard all about the Mahabharata. There were Pandavas, and the first brother, that was Nakula, who is the brother of Pandavas. Nakula wrote one great textbook. He was the veterinary, and the textbook name was Ashwachikitsa. Ashwachikitsa was the first textbook of India in oldest time. And in that textbook, there were knowledge about how we can keep clean to the animal, how we can take care of them, how we can feed to them, and what the disadvantages of overfeeding to them. So this was all the knowledge about the animal. It was in oldest text. It was in oldest text of India. It was not only this, but our ancestors who convert milk into ghee. Who convert milk into ghee.